Hello, folks. You must have seen the advertisement of a special watch on social media or on some other platforms where the watch is overrun by a tank, military tank, and it's frozen in ice and many other things, and still the watch keeps on working. Well, I have the same watch here which I'm going to unbox today. And this is the Kospet Tank T2. Can you imagine? This watch is right in my hands now. And the main features are listed here as military standard 810 hours certified, 70 sports modes with smart recognition. Wow, amazing. 5 atmosphere and IP69K waterproof. Wow. Bluetooth calling with one switch. Always on time display. And smart sleep tracking. 410 mAh pure cobalt battery. 1.43-inch AMOLED display and full metal body design. Wow, amazing. This is Kospet Tank 2 and this comes with a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer. Let's unbox it, folks. Wow, I'm so excited. Let me unbox it. In the meantime, if you are new to my channel and watching this video, do subscribe to my channel for a wonderful variety of videos in French and English. Alright, so I've already thrown away the thin film of plastic that covered this wonderful colorful packaging. Now let me see what is inside this tiny box. Surprise! Look at this, folks. This is the watch. This is the charger on this side, and this is the strap. Let me cut through this as well, or there must be some other way to get it out. Yeah, this is a cover. Once you remove the plastic cover here, you can have the watch. This is the watch. It's pretty heavy, an all metal body, so it's written designed in USA, made in China still. Kospet Tank T2, 5 atmosphere and IP69K. Wow. So there is a cover on top of the dial. I'm not going to take it out right now because I need to put a sticker, screen film protector film over here. So I'll be doing that later on. And let me show you what other things it comes with. The strap feels like rubber and pretty flexible. This is the strap, and here the user manual, military tank T2. This is the user manual, you can see that, and this is the film protector, so I can replace it later on, and the charger is right here, and the charge lasts for 60 days if you just use it in standby mode. You don't receive or place calls through this watch. Just for standby, it works for 2 months, and if you use it for receiving calls and all, still 15 days backup. That's amazing. And there is a dust absorber, and there are 2 wet wipes to clean the watch. So that's all, folks. So this is Kospet Military Tank 2. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends, family, and everyone in your circle. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Enjoy.